Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to help you clean up your resume by sharing 10 things you need to remove right now to make it stand out and get more attention from recruiters. Point 1. Personal information. The first thing to remove from your resume is personal information that's no longer relevant. You don't need to include your full home address, date of birth, or marital status anymore. It's just extra clutter. Focus on what matters: your name, email, phone number, and a LinkedIn profile if you have one. Point 2. Unprofessional email addresses. Next up, make sure your email address is professional. If you're still using something like, it's time to switch to a simple format like. Point 3. Objective statement. The objective statement is outdated. It usually says, "I'm seeking a challenging role to grow my skills." Instead, use a strong professional summary. In just 2 to 3 sentences, highlight your skills, experience, and what value you bring to the company. Point 4. Irrelevant work experience. If it doesn't match the job you're applying for, it's not worth the space. Focus on roles that highlight the skills or responsibilities relevant to the job you want. Point 5. Overused buzzwords. We've all seen it. Buzzwords like hard-working team player or detail-oriented. These words don't carry much weight anymore because everyone uses them. Instead, show what you've accomplished. Point 6. High school details. Unless you're a recent high school grad, drop your high school details from your resume, especially if you have a college degree. Focus on your higher education and what you've achieved in your career since then. Point 7. Unnecessary skills. Remove unnecessary skills. If you're applying for a digital marketing role, no need to mention you're good at coding. Tailor the skills section to fit the job description. Point 8. References available upon request. References available upon request. This is a classic one to leave out. Recruiters already know they can ask for references if needed. Save this space for more important details. Point 9. Long paragraphs. Don't write long, boring paragraphs. Break your resume into short bullet points. This makes it easier for recruiters to skim through and quickly see your best achievements. Point 10. Salary expectations or reasons for leaving. Lastly, never mention salary expectations or why you left your previous job on your resume. This should be discussed during the interview, not before. And that's it. By removing these 10 things, you'll have a cleaner, more focused resume that grabs attention. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe. See you in the next one.